Salon Diva V in the garden, planting food for next year's harvest. As I plant these seeds and watch the garden.
Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in.
All right, y'all, so welcome back. So today we are going to be transplanting our lettuce. This is butter crunch lettuce into the beds over here, and we are going to attempt again to grow a Mirliton. Us in Louisiana, we call this a Mirliton, and here in Texas, they call this a Chayote squash. So I think I'm going to put this right here. These were grown in the hydroponic system. So I'm just putting them in there like that, so they can stand up on their own. And
I do plan on putting more lettuce in this bed. I just have to add some different varieties.
trying to mix some of this soil in. So mixing this new soil in with this old soil here, just to add some more, I don't know about life, but just I feel like this soil is really heavy. It's really sandy. All right, and I'm gonna put the other one right here.
So I've been having this little bed right here now for several years, and I don't think I've added any amendments to it but the perlite. So I think it's time for me to go in and add some good stuff to it. So the best time to transplant your seedlings are when they are somewhat dry, so the soil is more compacted together. Not really compacted, but it's all together. When the soil is moist and the roots are not that established,
Probably could break
the soil tends to be
him
more
away.
separated.
Put
But
him
when it's
here.
kind of dry, then it's usually sticks together.
Like that. And then let's put him, the other one right here. Let's put him, put some of that soil over here. He has a nice root system already.
So drop down below and let
All
me
right.
know if you are planting lettuce in your garden, and if so, what kind.
So how can you prevent this? I want to eat the lettuce, but I don't want to eat this. So maybe let's cut these off. Maybe it'll bush out some more. Okay. All right, we're gonna put this up, all 3 of these. But I do need to get my, is it about to rain? Oh, y'all, I think my day is gonna be cut short because it feels like it's about to rain. And y'all, it is cold outside. It is Easter Sunday. I'm out in the garden and it is cold. If you guys have not watched my video with my garden tour, go back and watch that video for me. Appreciate you. All right, so let's put these up in here. We'll bring that inside, put this up, and find somewhere to plant this Mirliton. All right. I think I'm going to put this in one of these pots over here. That one right there. Or maybe not. Let's put this right there to go inside. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, should I put it in this one right here? Yeah, because then it could bind on to that one. Yeah, let's plant it right here. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna go get some, what they call them things. So I have my worm castings right here, and we're gonna go and mix this into the soil to give my Mirliton some good soil, good benefits. Ouch. All right. So, gotta plant it like so with the booty down. We're gonna cover it up a little bit. Just like that. Supposed to leave the skinny side out. And it is starting to rain. So that's gonna be it.
Planting food for next year's harvest. As I plant these seeds and watch the garden bloom, I gotta plant this food so my future doesn't look gloom. Keeping it in the family, cause we gon' have to eat, you understand me. Avoiding pesticides, growing my own. Avoiding grocery stores and picking my foods right here at home. So learn to grow. All it takes is patience. Garden tools especially, a hoe, but be careful for snakes, rodents, possums, and big nut squirrels. Oh yeah, we got them. I'm gonna show